back to Style Fields. I hope everyone's doing great, and I'm back with another Ganpati decoration idea this year like usual. So this time I have literally not been prepared for it. So I've kept the decoration very minimal and the DIY very easy as well. I completed the entire thing in just one day, and then the setup and everything literally took like an hour or two, and that is it. So the preparation time this time is really low. So if you are looking for a last minute idea, then this is it. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So the main background and mandap decoration is going to be this ring right here. I got this from a local stationery shop. It is just a basic ring, and let's begin the DIY. So I've drawn the basic design that I want in the circle and kept it very simple as well. For the half circles, I'm going in with this yellow acrylic paint. I'm using acrylic paints for the entire thing. For the petals, I'm going in with this beautiful turquoise shade as it complements very beautifully for the yellow. And for the background, I'm going in with this dark pink shade which almost looks like red, and that is pretty much it for the main background. Then I got this ceramic cone from a stationery shop, and it just made my life so much easier to do the entire design because it was much more easier and handy to just, complete the entire thing. And I got done in just 15 minutes and I just let it dry. After the ceramic cone is dried, I'm going to stick all of the mirrors. For the half circles, I'm going with these circle mirrors. For the petals, I am going in with these eye-shaped mirrors that I got right in the center. And for the pink background, I'm going to stick 3 mirrors in a shape of a flower, so it just makes the entire look complete. And now that all the mirrors are stuck, I'm going to draw these dots with the ceramic cone in the blue petal that we have done. And that is pretty much it for the main circle. And now on to the center part of the circle. I'm taking this jute thread and I'm going to start sticking these diamond shaped mirrors on it. I'm using Fevicol for it, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm just going to stick it, and to secure it even more, I'm just going to go and add some hot glue at the back. I made about 5 mirror strings, and I'm just going to start sticking it on the circle at the back. So I'm taking a sellotape and I'm just stretching it as much as I can, so they just didn't turn. And that is pretty much it. I also made sure to secure it with a hot glue gun later on. And that's it for the main background. Now on to decorating the entire thing. Props that I'm using in that video will be linked down below if I get the links, since most of it is store-bought. But if not, I will leave all the Amazon links in the description, so do check it out. I got these beautiful lotus flowers garlands, and I love how it looks. For the table, I'm just adding some gold accents, and that is pretty much it. And yeah, this is the entire look. I can't wait for Bappa to come home. I've just used Ganpati that I had at home just to show you guys the entire setup, how it looks. So this is it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, then you guys know the drill. Hit the like button and tell me in the comment section below what do you think of the decoration, and would you guys be recreating this? And if you do, then please tag me in all of the pictures. You can send it on Instagram or on Facebook, like whatever suits you guys. And I am just so happy that it turned out exactly how I envisioned, and since we always have a Chotu Bappa, so it is just perfect for it. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video super soon.